Vybz Kartel appeal verdict is finally here. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. So people, we know the Vybz Kartel they appeal the other day, and them the same lawyer need to submit some more information as far as how much they're looking to get his sentence reduced, because that's the only thing they would offer him in this appeal case, right? So now the verdict is back. It's kind of insulting to say, you know what I mean, the least. I mean, towards Vybz Kartel, I think that's kind of like them a try to show him a sign or something. But you know, I mean, Vybz Kartel they don't already know what going from him. Them give him the kind of in they say them a go deny him. You know, him they don't say a privy council him a priest, so that probably not shake him. You know what I mean? But however, people, it's only reduced by 2.5 years. So 2.5 years that them take off him sentence people, and we already know so him serve close to 9 years already. So we just add the 9 and 2, we are gonna say 11.5. So him got 11.5 out of the sentence we are gonna put it, even though I not really saw it go. But you know what I mean? Him still have a long way to go, people, because the first sentence was 35 years without parole. So that's a long time, people. But at the same time, I want to ask and I want to feel like 2.5 years better than nothing at all, right? Even though Vybz Kartel been a pre and I say a privy council, because I say him not give up the fight said way. You know what I mean? And from how Vybz Kartel operate, even in the music industry, as far as putting out music and him being incarcerated for over, you know what I mean, 5 to 9 years, like we just say. You know, after like couple months, probably somebody will just give up on their career and say, yeah, I hate this. You know what I mean? Just the sentence alone when him get probably would have make him be like, yo, I never bother with the music thing. But no, people, you know what I mean? Him still, and even to them release a brand new music video. No, I don't want nobody get me wrong and say, me, I try to say Vybz Kartel guilty or not guilty, because that's not what I'm trying to say. You know what I mean? I just think everybody deserve a fair trial, and must say people get lesser sentence in cases where there were evidence and, you know what I mean, even a body, and them get lesser sentence. The only thing me a saying at this, me just think say a man deserve a fair trial if them a try him as Adidja Palmer, you know what I mean, versus if them a try him as Vybz Kartel. Because we all know say, you know what I mean, if you go try him as Vybz Kartel, him more guilty of a lot of things, right? And when me say a lot of things, me a talk about the kind of song them when him sing, you know what I mean, the kind of thing them when bring to the culture and them thing there. So if you try him as Vybz Kartel, yeah, a lot of them they are gonna be against him. But however, none of those are illegal. You know what I mean? Singing a song is not illegal, nor doing any other kind of thing, you know what I mean? I.e. bleaching skin or any of that. It's not illegal. It's not my thing, but at the same time, it's not illegal. You see me? So people may just want to ask, you know, like, what do you think about this case? You think Vybz Kartel really have a shot of getting a trial where it would get him to a lesser sentence, like maybe 15, 20 years? Because that's still better than 35 years, you know? You see me? And by that time, he would already serve like 11 something, so he would have just do another number, you know? But when you tell me what you think, you know what I mean? Get in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this. 2.5 years shaved off Vybz Kartel sentence, right? And him still say I pursue the appeal by the Privy Council, right? So I take it all the way to the England, to the Queen, or, you know what I mean? I fight the fight, said we. So get in the comment section, let me know what you think about this, and thank you.